Hey guys, my name is Sarah and I am vegan. Now I know there's a lot of annoying vegans out there, but I'm not an annoying vegan. I'm just annoying in general. I am a cool vegan. I'm a vegan who will come up to your steak and be like, hello. Can I please have a sniff? I'm a vegan who will come up to your chocolate sundae and be like, hello. Can I please put my finger in it? Just my pinky, just the tip. Ooh, hello nostril. Veganism is cool as f***. It just means that you decide to live your life without exploiting animals. And I think that's pretty cool. And anyone who doesn't think that's cool needs to change their diapers. Oh, hello. That glow is vegan too. Being vegan doesn't just mean eating salads and smoothies. It's whatever you make it. You can be vegan lasagna, hamburgers, fries, pizza, vodka, anything. It's your choice if you want to be healthy or not. Oh, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, I love meat too much. I really want to try, but I simply cannot live without ice cream and Philly cheesesteak. I hear you. I was you. I was literally you. And I'm not gonna lie to you, the first week was awful. But once you got used to reading labels and doing your research, it increasingly got easier and easier. I am a meat lover turned vegan. And I've never been so happy and fulfilled. Like literally my skin has never been this clear and my hair is growing like crazy. I have all this energy and I just generally feel really good about myself. For example, do you ever turn off the water to conserve it when you're taking a shower or brushing your teeth? Did you know that to grow beef for just one burger takes 660 gallons of water? That's 3 months worth of showering in just one burger. If this boggles your mind, I really suggest you watch Cowspiracy on Netflix or wherever else. I had been thinking of maybe someday trying veganism until I watched that documentary. It's been over a month and I still have no will to eat animal products or use them in any other way. People go vegan for different reasons. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this forever, for the rest of my life, because I simply cannot predict the future, but I really feel strongly about this and I'm gonna be doing it for as long as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and yeah, feel free to make conversation in the comments. Have you ever been thinking of going vegan? If so, what's stopping you? I repeat, what's stopping you?